week. I'm out of town, which is why I'm not doing it every day. I took 3 trades this week, up about 500. So I had a pretty good week. So going into this was Wednesday morning. We come up, we hold this higher time frame bearish imbalance and breaker, displaced to the downside on the 15 minute. And when we pull back, I took a short in this 15. This is a 15-minute fair value gap. My stop was a little higher. Like here, I entered in a quarter size, and I was looking to add to it in the internal model, but never got that. Stopped out there for about a $50 loss, I believe. So my next trade was the same day in the PM session. I see us run up. There was an SMT here with ES. And then we displace lower, hold bearish fair value gaps. And then we're holding this 1 minute here. We get this move down, but I didn't think that it was ready yet just because we left all these highs here. So we run up, form SMT, and soup the high. And you can call this displacement, but I didn't really need displacement. I entered on the first 1 minute fair value gap, targeting this low here. My external draw was lower. But yeah, took the low hanging fruit. So that was nice. Made like 370 on that trade. I'm gonna get some of this stuff out of the way. And today's trade, actually took 2 trades today. One was pretty not good. So what I was looking at here was in the pre-market. I'm looking at these lows here with bullish imbalances to the left of us. I'm thinking this is going to be soup. We come down, I buy here with 2 contracts, half size. And I was looking for this high here, which I was confident in that as my draw on liquidity, but I didn't wait for a great entry. So then we open up at 7:30. We quickly run down and sweep these lows while holding on to this bullish breaker and imbalance. And we bounce right back up and come down and form SMT with ES, this small little 1 minute SMT. I jumped in long on this candle on the rejection of it, targeting the high with 1 contract. I entered quarter size on this one, on this winner. I mean, it ate up this loser, which I was in 2 contracts on the loser, 1 contract on the winner, and the winner ate that up by a mile. So that's pretty good. I caught like 300 ticks on this. I don't think this was an A+ setup. I don't think it was bad for a soup entry. The only thing that made it lower probability was that ES had already taken this high, so there was an SMT up there. But that's about it. Glad I kept my risk management on point. This should have been 1 contract, but also this should have been 1 contract. I shouldn't have taken even half size here. This was like nothing. I was predicting price, and I could say the same here, but this is definitely higher probability than this just because we've gotten more structure, more buy side is generated. We have an SMT at the lows, whereas we did not have that here. So yep, rest of the day we've just been selling off. Haven't taken a trade today. Today's Friday. Oh, actually, I'm retarded. I just showed you my trades from today, but I'm not trading again today. So up after the loss and the win about 120. New all-time high on the account, which is nice, 52K. I'm getting there.